Among those we expect to affect the performance of the industry is the continued slowdown in economic activity, which will exert pressure on the earnings and the resultant decline in the disposable income, which means the minimum allocation to insurance. The second one will be the life segment is likely to experience a rise in lapses of policies, especially if the looming second wave of COVID-19 is not managed successfully. And thirdly, for all other policies, new policy uptake and renewals may also dip, as many policyholders may find rising insurance premiums difficult amidst other competing challenges. We, however, remain optimistic. If we compare the first quarter of January to March 2021 vis-a-vis the performance of the first quarter of January to March 2020, we have registered 350.85 billion in gross written premiums in January to March 2021. When we compare it to the performance of January to March 2020, it was 324 billion. Therefore, we have registered 8.25% growth.